just, most of you guys already know about this, but I figured this tool comes in handy. It is Briggs Stratton RPM gauge. This is not digital, this is old school, but it is very reliable, and as long as you take care of it. And I mean, you know, if you're going to be cutting your grass during the apocalypse, and you know there's no power, no recharging stations or batteries, then this, you know, why you would be cutting your grass during an apocalypse, I don't know. But hey, things can happen. But seriously, it don't depend on any batteries. As soon as you take it out, it starts working. So how this thing works, can you see me here? So you got your lawnmower, and you know it's running. So what you'll do is you'll put this on top of the lawnmower, right? You know, usually where you pull the cord or wherever it's a good vibration. And you're going to put it there, and you're going to open this up, and you're going to keep opening up, right? Little at a time, but you're going to watch this wire, okay? And it's going to be very fast, but it's funny how the eye sees things. You will see, you see how that, well, I doubt it if you can see that on camera, but you can't even, yeah, it just disappears because it's so fast. But okay, if you're like this, it's very short. You see that? It goes like this. You keep going, right? You keep turning this until this wire is at its greatest travel. So if you know, if you're for some reason, if this is how much you got out, and it's going like this, right? That, and then you bring it back a little bit, but it's shorter. Then you just go back until this here is at its widest travel. That's very important. You know, this paint is almost off, but it comes with, you can put on a very bright paint. But so, you know, you see how, right? You want that widest angle. Then you just measure your RPMs, right? Usually it's like this much. It'd be 36, right? Be 36, something like that. Whatever it is, just read it off. It comes with a little instruction thing here, right? Down on the bottom, that's cycles per second. So yeah, it is a very good tool. I uses it, I can't say I uses it all the time, but whenever I need to know RPM, I have a digital. And why I just came to my mind, because when I went to use it, the battery was dead, and I don't have a battery that fits it. And I'm thinking, you know, good old trusty, right? I don't even know why I even considered a digital one. So anyway, that's just a short video. I don't know where I got this. It's an original Briggs & Stratton. I'm sure you can find them online, eBay, Amazon, maybe Amazon, right? But it's a great tool. Anyway, guys, if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button. You know